Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is the bug, and there was chicken eggs inside of it for some reason. This is the engine. It still spins. تعال صورني بهي. Come here. صورني. It still spins, although not very easily. So yeah, I just finished college and we're gonna finish this thing. It's gonna take some time. So what I have to do is fix all of this rusty steel over here. Okay. The chassis is not very. I've attempted to fix it over here and it's all solid and welded, and I have to replace this part. I'm still building this, the door hinge and stuff. It's gonna take some time, but I think I'm gonna share it with you guys. So yeah, I hope you're still watching my channel. So we're back and we're gonna try. You see this big hole, gaping hole over here? Okay, I started by making the flange or the thing for the door mount, and it's good. It's quite sturdy now, but it needs a lot. Like it needs a plate here, and there should be a hole in here too, and I have to build the entirety of this thing here, so it's gonna be a while. Also, as told you, I have to replace all of this because this is already rusting. This is good metal, but the weld is bad, so I'm gonna have to replace this part, this one too, and over here, as you can see, it's all rusted. Yeah, but this part is good, which is good. I fixed all of this here. I know the welds do not look the best, but I mean, it's a TIG welder and I'm learning. It's good though, it's welded. Yeah, this part here too, I painted it like last year just so they don't rust, and it's been holding up fine. Yeah, and this part here, we're gonna have to replace this too. Yeah, so as you can see, the welder is here, and yeah, so I'm gonna start working. I already removed the paint here, and I'm gonna weld this, this part, and I'm gonna build the piece here and the floor there, and it should hold this thing good. Okay, so I'm going at it a little bit. So I welded this thing just to brace this piece here, and I think I'll try and mount the door. This hinge is okay, yeah, but this one, it's stuck. Yeah. So some WD-40 and a hammer. And as you can see, it's moving. Not much, but it's doing it. Yeah, so I think I'll hit it with some heat from the welder too and try and, move it that way. Also, I'll have to replace all of this metal here. It's still so bad. But the door hinge is still attached, which is a good thing, which means we can fix this. It's good, strong. Hey, so it's been a couple of hours of working on this thing, and I got the door installed, and yeah, there's the part that I made. Yeah, still needs reinforcing, I know. Needs this plate here that's gonna hold this entire thing. This is good enough. I need to weld that here part, finish welding all of this. Yeah, and this still needs to be free. It's pretty hard to move still, so yeah. So once I finish this, okay, I also worked on this here. You can see this part here. It's pretty dark though. Okay, as you can see, I welded that there, and this is supposed to be finished like tomorrow. This part over here I cut out. This is all good metal here, that's all good metal, and from the inside too. I just need to know how high this should, you know, I should bend this. So I just have to cut here and then bend it up so it follows this natural curve here, this part here. Also, this is another issue I'm having. The old body is still stuck here, and the bolts I couldn't remove, so I tried cutting them, but only went so far. So yeah, I need to fix this too. But basically, there's not much more work to do here other than fix this patch here, and you know, the door's gonna be the last thing to do. But I'm starting to cut around this thing, and I see this is all rusty, so a lot of this has to be replaced. It's gonna take a while, but you know, you see the gap here, it still needs adjustment. Okay, and I still have to finish this. There's only one bolt in there. Yeah, so you see this is completely removed here. This was all rotten, just like the other side. As you can see, it's all destroyed. So once I finish this, we're gonna move on to the next side, and hopefully in this month I'm gonna be able to finish this. I mean next month, not this one. Yeah, wish me luck, guys. Also, the argon is 0. I have no more gas. Well, see you later. And one more thing, the engine, it just needs a little wash, I guess. And the carburetor is still fine, everything is fine, but I've discovered something. The bolt that holds the starter is cracked here, this thing, and I don't know if I can weld it. I'm gonna try to. Yeah, that's one more issue that we have to fix. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and like, and you know, maybe one day we'll drive this thing.